Are you ready to revolutionize your digital strategy? In today's fast-paced world, businesses are seeking better ways to manage content. Contentful is leading this change, embracing AI and changing how organizations create and engage with content. Contentful's recent transformations mark a major shift from a headless CMS to a comprehensive digital experience platform, DXP. This transition is essential for businesses looking to adapt in 2025 and beyond. Let's dive into the exciting innovations and strategic moves that Contentful is making. Karthik Rao, Contentful's new CEO, emphasizes the role of generative AI in content creation. He notes that more than 90% of future content will likely be machine-generated, shaping how organizations operate. Under Rao's leadership, Contentful has reported over $200 million in annual recurring revenue with more than 4,200 satisfied customers. Another game-changer is Carl Rumelhart, Contentful's new Chief Product Officer. Rumelhart brings over 20 years of experience and will focus on driving product innovations and AI integration. Their leadership team, including experts in marketing, customer success, legal matters, and human resources, is set to drive growth and innovation. A key highlight is Contentful's groundbreaking product, AI Actions. This module simplifies content management by automating tasks such as writing, optimizing, and translating content. With early adopters already seeing productivity boosts, AI Actions are set to transform how content workflows are managed. Visual content creation has also been revolutionized with Contentful Studio. This low-code platform allows teams to build, personalize, and scale content effortlessly. Developers have the flexibility to integrate, ensuring a seamless workflow, while marketers can create engaging visuals without heavy reliance on tech support. The integration of Ninetailed's AI-driven personalization empowers users to optimize their digital experiences better. By making personalization easier and faster, Contentful helps businesses connect with their audiences more effectively, resulting in significant increases in engagement and conversion rates. Looking at the strategic vision, Contentful is not just another CMS. Their focus on composability and AI integration will impact how organizations approach their digital strategies. Businesses will benefit from flexible architecture, enabling them to create tailored digital experiences. As for pricing, significant changes are coming. Organizations relying on Contentful's free tier will see new limitations, making it crucial to adapt to paid plans for continued access to advanced features. To make the most of Contentful's offerings, businesses should strategize their AI implementation, personalize customer experiences, and leverage the no-code capabilities of Contentful Studio. These steps will ensure a strong foundation for scaling operations and enhancing customer engagement. Contentful's transformation marks a bold future for digital experiences. Businesses need to embrace AI-powered tools and composable platforms to thrive in this digital-first landscape. Explore Contentful's resources today to unlock your organization's potential and prepare for a future driven by innovation and personalization. Ready to elevate your content strategy? Check out Contentful's offerings and join the AI-driven revolution today.